An equation consists of 2 points, the left one and the right one. Equations can look like this. 4x minus 7 equals 1. In this equation, 4x minus 7 is the left point and 1 is the right point. To solve an equation means that you are going to find the value or values of the unknown which makes the similarity true. To make this more easier to understand, let us take a look at the equation mentioned earlier. The equation tells us that 4x minus 7 equals 1. As you can see, there is an equal sign between 4x minus 7 and 1. The equal sign tells you that what is on the left equals what is on the right.
A mathematical model describes a system using mathematical concepts and language. Linear mathematical models can be described with lines. For instance, a car going 50 miles per hour has traveled the distance represented by y equals 50x, where x is time in hours and y is miles. Real-world applications can be modeled with multiple lines. If two trains travel toward each other, one at 50 miles per hour and the other at 80 miles per hour, and they initially start at 350 miles away, the two lines are y equals 50x and y equals 350 minus 80x. The point where the two lines intersect is the point where the train meets.
The basics of equations. When solving an equation, you want to isolate the unfamiliar variable. To do that, you've got to step by step remove everything else but the variable from one of the sides. You can add, subtract, multiply or divide any number within the equation as long as you do the same in both sides. Here are some examples of solving a basic equation. In the example with subtraction, we have the equation x plus 7 equals 19. To solve this one, subtract 7 from both sides. The result shows us that x equals 12. In the example with addition, we have the equation x minus 13 equals 20. To solve this one, add 13 to both sides. The result shows us that x equals 33. In the example with division, we have the equation 3x equals 45. To solve this one, divide both sides by 3. The result shows us that x equals 15. In the example with multiplication, we have the equation x divided by 6 equals 5. To solve this one, multiply both sides by 6. The result shows us that x equals 30.
To solve for x, it is reasonable to isolate the variables first. In order to do so, we apply the opposite operator to the known values. In this equation, we have a negative known on the left-hand side and a positive known on the right. To isolate the unknown, we simply add a negative known until it is eliminated. This operation requires that we do the same on the right-hand side as well. Having abbreviated this, the equation now states 2x equals 3. In order to solve for x, we have to apply divisor since 2x is a multiple of x. Again, the divisor is applied to eliminate a factor of 2. 2x divided by 2 equals 3 divided by 2. We have thus established that x is a fraction. A fraction can in some cases be more exact than a decimal representation. However, 3 divided by 2 is the same as 1.5 or 1 whole and 1/2.